We are making a cookie today. That's a chocolate chip cookie with a pair up with a croissant. The mini one, and I have the large one here. In this bowl we have brown butter, white sugar, light brown sugar, and salt. And we're going to beat it to nice and creamy. After a few minutes, nice and creamy. Now you want to add the eggs. The most important thing in any baking is your flavoring. I use real vanilla. Look at this. You can check my channel and I show you how to take vanilla bean and make your own vanilla. The only thing is that you have to wait. It takes 12 to 18 months for the vanilla to develop. And my next favorite flavoring is this, the butternut flavoring from L'Oreal. We're going to add real vanilla. 2 tablespoons. Half teaspoon of butternut flavoring. A little bit go a long way. We're going to add cream of tartar and baking soda. Okay, measure out 2½ cup of flour, which equal to 300 grams. I'm going to take out 3 tablespoons. Take out 3 tablespoons of flour. And then add in 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. It should also equal out to 300 grams. So if you want to measure or scale, it's up to you. So 300. Now you want to shift the flour so you don't have any lumps. So we'll mix nicer. Baking soda and cream of tartar is well incorporated. Now we're going to add the flour and the chocolate chips. You don't want to overmix. Now we're going to mix the rest by hand so your batter won't be overmixed. We're going to finish mixing our cookie batter by hand so we won't overmix. Look at that. Beautiful batter. We're going to make our cookie now. We have our chocolate chip cookie batter. I'm going to do a bonus today. I did a brownie cookie batter as well. So you can check my channel out and get the recipe for this. And we'll do some cookie with chocolate chip and some with a mixture of both. We want to cut our croissant. Slit it in half like this. Now the key to a good cookie is you don't want to put a lot of filling in the middle because it will get soggy and won't bake in time. So you want a very thin layer. And here you can add nuts if you like, or toffee, whatever your heart desire. Close that up. See, there wasn't a lot of filling there. It's very thin. And then we're going to top our cookie. We're going to top our croissant with cookie batter. Not too much because, you know, we didn't have any baking powder. Baking soda will make your cookie spread. So you want it to come to the edge. Pat it on. And now our next one, let's do with the brownie, a mixture of both. So I'm going to put half of that. So you can space it out. Put a little of this, a little of that. And we're going to do a mouthful of chocolate chip and also mix it in with the brownie. How's that? That looks good, right? Maybe a little more chocolate chip. And you can add nuts on top if you like nuts. So you can stuff mini croissant. I add some nuts onto one. And I did a mixture of chocolate chip and a mixture of chocolate chip and the brownie cookie. And I did some big one as well. Look at that. Now we're going to bake at 350 in a preheated oven. Okay, we're going to bake at 350 degrees and check it in 10 minutes. 10 minutes up, let's check our cookie. Look at that. Okay, let's rotate. Okay, we'll put in for another 7 minutes and we'll check. 7 minutes up, let's check. Look at that. How good does that look? I think it's ready to come out, except for the brownie part. You see this part right here? It's shiny, so it needs some more cooking time. But over here, these two look good. So we're gonna have to underbake that one because we don't want to overbake these. Now we'll put the smaller one in. These should take only 15 minutes. So okay, we're gonna bake these for 10 minutes and we're gonna rotate. 10 minutes up. Let's check these small croissants. Look at that. They look great. Let's see. Let's pull it up. So we need more minutes on here. Yeah, we need just about 2 more minutes. You see right here? It's a little shiny there. So 2 more. Now I'm going to do this for another 3 minutes. So 13 minute total. Okay, 3 minutes up. Let's check. Okay. Look at that. Okay. The one with the brownie need a little more time. But the one with no brownie, so we just have to underbake it. So 13 minute total for this. Alright, this is the last bit of the chocolate chip dough, and I just make a little cookie. So this should bake for around 12-13 minutes. Okay, look at our mini cookie. The one with the chocolate chip only looks nice and stable, but the one with the brownie, you can see it spread much more. And we just let it cool. Been 10 minutes for the little cookie. Look at that. That looks great. Just need a few more minutes, but looking good. You can underbake cookies. I think it doesn't need any more. Oh yeah, it does. Look at that one in the middle right there, slow raw. So another 2 minutes will be good. 2 minutes up. Let's check on our cookie. Oh, these look great. $12 minutes is perfect if you like light and crispy. Otherwise, do 10 minutes for under bake the cookies. Look how fluffy these cookies came out. See, if you just do plain chocolate chip, add the nuts on there. Look at that. Isn't that nice? But look at that texture. Love it. Look at these crookie. Let's cut this open. See, this is a crookie that you have to eat when it's warm or on the same day. If you eat it on the second day, it's best to put it back in an air fryer or toaster oven. Look at this. That look good? See, you don't want to put too much filling in here, so it stay gooey. This would be delicious. Look at that. A cookie and a croissant. Buttery, crispy, great. You can use any of your favorite chocolate chip cookie or any cookie batter. You can get your imagination run. Whatever you want to put on top or inside. Could be oatmeal raisin. It could be white chocolate chunk macadamia nuts. So sky's the limit. Bon appetit. See you in the next video.